If you are investing in crypto, in altcoins in 2026, then you have simply learned nothing. All right, time to go on a little bit of a rant here. Let's get into Bitcoin versus crypto from first principles, all right? So the main thing in this Bitcoin versus crypto comparison is that crypto people tend to say that Bitcoin lacks certain features that are necessary and that the altcoins can do and they provide. What are these features? Basically, they are smart contract capabilities, being fully Turing complete, and also most of the rest of it comes down to the speed of transactions and the cost of transactions. All right, but there is something extremely fundamental that is missed in this. What is the clear innovation that is happening with quote-unquote crypto, Bitcoin? The innovation is twofold. We can break it into two different things. The innovation is first and foremost money. We finally have sound money, global sound money for the world, all right? The second part of that is a brand new open, decentralized, global financial system built on top of that money. Okay, now the second thing is completely dependent on the first thing and comes after it, and you cannot switch that around. This is what is happening and has happened with crypto, with the altcoins. All of these altcoins have been claiming that they have the expressive financial system for all this smart contract stuff, speed and everything, but they skipped the foundation. They skipped the first part. They are not good money. In fact, they're utterly trash money in comparison to Bitcoin. So the fact that Bitcoin is very simple, consistent, robust, hard to change, right? It's not Turing complete, doesn't have full smart contract capabilities. It isn't particularly fast. It isn't particularly cheap. And all of these things are actually the features that make Bitcoin so desirable, not the bugs, which is what crypto people fail to understand. All right? Now, why is this so important? Because you need to build the foundation of a credible money, a credible digital value itself that is simply perfecting, representing value and moving value at the base layer to then be able to build the financial system on top of that, all right? And so what should you have learned by now in 2026? You should have learned that everything that the Bitcoiners have been trying to tell you that they have been able to get to long ago simply from first principles reasoning is now playing out. It's actually occurring, and if you just look around a little bit, you could see it. So what we have now is that Bitcoin is able to do all of that full Turing complete stuff. It's able to have full smart contracts. It's able to move extremely fast, extremely cheap through layers. All right, we have layer 2s, native layer 2s on Bitcoin that can do all of these things. You can look into the Lightning Network. We also now have full smart contract layer 2s for Bitcoin. Specifically, you can look into the ARC protocols. The two main ones right now are Bark, which is focusing on payments, and Arcade, which is full smart contract capability without a blockchain. So it's going to be able to go very fast, very cheap, and blockchains don't scale. So what Bitcoin has done is perfected the base layer, and now it's scaling the financial system built out on top, mainly without blockchains, which is exactly how it needs to be done. There's also BitVM layer 2s on Bitcoin that have full smart contracts. You also have RGB, which is a little bit above my understanding right now, but that looks to be extremely promising. So This is the thing that all crypto people seem to miss. You cannot build the new financial system on top of a crap foundation, on top of bad money that doesn't even make sense. And if you just look around, you can see exactly what's happening. Bitcoin has perfected money, and now everything else, all the functionality is being built out on top, just like the internet. One base layer protocol, TCP/IP, all the functionality gets built out on top.